The ever exciting Laundromat review. We are at Caesars right now, but we're taking a walk from Caesars, not even half a mile, to the closest laundromat on Florida Avenue. We'll find out if it's a dump or not. Hell, we'll find out if it still exists. Sometimes I found in these laundromats is half of them don't exist in the location anymore and things are never updated. But I think we'll have luck, decent luck here. So as we walk past Caesars, you can see the entrance to the Caesars right over there. We're heading towards the Boardwalk Hall, which is not too far, and that should be Florida Avenue coming up. And we will make a right and walk a block or so. So if you're staying at the Tropicana, it's probably also close, but there actually may be a laundromat closer to the Tropicana. It's just south of that. All right, good news. Looks like it exists. I can see it up ahead. It's the sign, the banner flying out there. So let's get some laundry done. Short walk, less than 10 minutes. Very fine laundromat, clean. The woman who runs it seems very friendly. $3.50 for a load. It's going to take about 24 minutes to wash, and then we'll check out the dryers. There's a good chance if you're traveling, you only need the smaller machines, but they do have bigger machines and much bigger machines. But maybe the family size are $6.25 per load. I'll say again, everything looks clean, new. This is one of the better laundromats I've been to. I would say they're reasonable prices for stuff at a laundromat. We've also got a vending machine with snacks and drinks, which is good. Bathrooms, which is good. We have finished our laundry and we have left the laundromat, and I will give that, a 5 out of 5 for your no frills laundromat. Obviously it's not one with a bar and all that fancy stuff, but I'm not looking for that. I want to do laundry. I want it to be close to the hotel. I want it to be an easy walk and a safe walk, and I think it is a safe walk. I know a lot of people get concerned about various neighborhoods and various cities, but you're fine walking from Caesars to this place. The machines looked clean. They were probably new in my opinion, I don't know. But that was one of the better laundromats I've gone to on my travels. So if you're looking to do laundry in Atlantic City, the laundromat on Florida Avenue is very good.